Welcome to Little Learners by Misha.
A for apple, A for ant, oh. B for ball, B for bat, bow. C for cat, C for car, go. D for dog, D for drum, do. E for elephant, E for egg, oh. F for fish, F for fan, bowl. G for goat, G for grapes, go. H for hat, H for horse, ho. I for igloo, I for insect, oh. J for jug, J for jelly, oh. K for kite, K for kangaroo, go. L for lion, L for leaf, la. M for monkey, M for moon, mum. N for nest, N for net, na. O for orange, O for all, O rat. P for parrot, P for pen, bot. Q for queen, Q for quilt, go. R for rugged, R for rose, run up. S for sun, S for star, sing. T for tiger, T for train, U for umbrella, U for unicorn, V for van, V for violin, fa, W for watch, U for watermelon, X for czar, F for X for X-ray, XR. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra, Z for zoo, Z. Sing along, learn today, A to Z in a fun way.
Hi kids! We hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.